So all we're going to want to do to change or just empty out a filter on one of these vacuums is you can actually see on the side right here, there's like a lever thing. And you basically just want to pull up on this handle. There's also one on the polar opposite side. And you can see when we open that, you can see the inside, it'll just pop up like so. And you can take your handle and easily just take off the lid like this. Now, once you've done this, you can actually take your lid, put it off to the side upside down, and you can actually see all of that dirt and stuff in here. And then you can basically just pull on this thing in the middle and you can see it all comes off. You can basically clean this or disregard this entirely. And you can see right here, once you've taken the filter out, you can either clean it out just like I'm doing, or you can just put a brand new filter in right here. You can see I'm just cleaning it just by hitting it to the side of the container a few times, flipping it upside down, then cleaning out the lid, just because a lot of dust and debris is in the lid. And you also want to dump out the red thing, of course. And then you can either put on your new filter or the same one, put the lid back on like I'm doing so here, attach the vacuum once again, make sure it's all secure, and you should be good to go.